Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's just do a check-in with weed. Alright, so we went down again today. We didn't take out yesterday's low at 33.33, but we dug deep, went as low as 33.57, closed at 33.71. So no follow through thus far from that bullish reversal candlestick. But that's not to say that we're going a whole lot lower. If I were to guess, possible tomorrow we flush out yesterday's low marginally perhaps, just to take all the stops and then attempt another reversal again. So I'm still leaving the stop loss out at the moment. It just goes against my system to sell at such extreme levels. Even if the next bounce is just a corrective bounce, that'll still allow a better exit than currently selling. Now if you look at this chart here, the 4-hour RSI is currently sitting at 28. Okay, that's very oversold on this chart for 4-hour RSI, and that just goes against my my rules to sell out at such extreme levels. I mean, if you go back, and I've shown this before, similarly oversold 4-hour RSI, historically has marked bottoms. So it'd be a shame to sell there. And I won't. And we're also still holding around this fib level. That's still in play. On the CGC chart, we're still respecting this trend line that connected these two major low pivots here. So there's that. And also going back to weed. Okay, this is just another little chart of weed here. I just have the 100-day simple moving average, and we seem to be possibly starting to base off of that as well. So there's a confluence of things here. Also, a different fib pull. If I were to do just off of this low, as opposed to this one, do a fib pull from the peak here, and I'll just get rid of the 50 and the 786. We're sitting basically to a T right on that 618 of this fib pull. So I find that interesting too. So really in a confluence area. Just right for a reversal here. Now going back to this chart here, if we were to go in on the hourly as well, you see hourly is just staying oversold essentially, so a very extreme move. It's rare to see the hourly stay in this oversold condition for this duration of time. But if I were to go to maybe a 15-minute, sure, 15-minute, what you're seeing is some bullish divergences on the 15-minute. Okay, so this was more oversold over here. Price made a lower low, RSI did out on the 15-minute, and then if we come down again tomorrow morning, say at the open, and flush out this low from yesterday, RSI will likely again make another higher low, even though price made a lower low, if it happens. I'm not saying we necessarily take out yesterday's low, but being this close to it, I certainly wouldn't put it past the open to do that. But really, so many signs, and also the 15-minute MACD moving average are also making a bullish divergence here. Just to highlight that with the trend line, right? Bullish divergence and bullish divergence in RSI. So with so many things screaming, bottom or reversal, not a good place to sell. In fact, a great place to buy. Just unfortunate that my position was formed too early in retrospect. But sometimes that's just how it goes. I'm not going to sell near the bottom here. All right, we'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm sure we'll check in again after the close. Serial Trader signing off.